Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect to MetaTrader 5 with a broker. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So what we first need to do on this demonstration, have MetaTrader 5 download and installed on your computer. So you can do a Google search for that, how to download and install. Once you've got MetaTrader 5, we need to go ahead on the top left, click on File, and then we need to open an account. So click on open an account. Then from here, go ahead and find your company or broker's name in this. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use XNES Technologies Ltd. And then I'm going to go ahead and enter. And here it is here. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and click onto next. And then from here on the top, it will say where you're opening an account for. So mine is XNES. On the bottom, we need to connect with an existing trade account. So put in your login details, your password, and then make sure to choose the correct server and then click finish. And if the details are correct, you'll see your account info and live prices start updating in the market watch window on the left here and on the right.